What'd you bake here?
Blueberry poppy seeds vegan scones.
Wow. All right, here they are, glazed up. Ready to chomp down on. Let's go.
I know, it better be good.
Oh. Okay, you're getting it everywhere.
I mean, what is this face?
It's the face of apprehension. The face of... I'm uncertain
About what?
about this coffee. Gotcha.
He said no.
Thank you. Ketchup, yeah. A fellow Aries.
Yes. Hey, I can't touch you. But
Why not?
I'm not allowed to.
Who said that? That's some pig.
Yeah, Wilbur.
Stay in your lane.
Nope.
You gotta maintain your lane at Target.
No.
Yeah.
I want to start from the top.
I don't know what the structure is.